Hey, what's going on, guys? Got another hot sauce video. Have my hot sauce shirt on, I guess. So, I mean, that was coincidental. Today, we have Frank's RedHot, but a special edition, because most people have tried Frank's RedHot. This I saw at the grocery store. This is the Dill Pickle version. So, I grabbed this for a couple reasons. One, it's available everywhere, so if you really want to try it, you can probably try it. And two, I like pickles. So, give it a good shake. It's a smaller bottle, by the way. I don't remember exact price, under $5. So yeah, Frank's RedHot Dill Pickle Hot Sauce. 0 calories. Distributed by French's Food Company. French's Mustard. I did not know they owned Frank's RedHot. Now I do. So, ingredients are aged cayenne red peppers, distilled vinegar, just run-of-the-mill hot sauce, the top two. Pickle juice water, interesting. Natural flavor, turmeric, water, salt, xanthan gum, dill weed, which is what usually you call your little brother, garlic powder, and let's see, extractives of turmeric. Okay, I think that's shaken enough. So, hot sauce knife, because of course we have our little label there. Now, a lot of times these have perforations, so you can probably pinch it and peel it off, but why ruin an opportunity to use a knife, right? There we go. Okay. Love a little Spyderco. Cricket. Classic. All right. So, we have pop top like that, which I dig. Ooh. Oh, man. That is all pickle. There is no mistaking that at all. Alright, nice open hole on top. I do like this style up top. It's just easy. Obviously, it's not going to spill anywhere. It's easy to open. It's easy to pour. We have our hot sauce spoon here. So, let's give this a go. Fill up our spoon to the tippy top because it's only a couple drops. Alright, there we go. An overfloweth of sauce. Cheers. Ooh, that's good. Yeah, that's really good. I'm going to go in for another. So, Frank's RedHot is not too hot. I mean, it has like, it has an immediate heat, but the cayenne's a really good powder. That's why it's used in so many hot sauces. It's really good because it's hot, but it's not over the top. So, I mean, you would expect this to be Frank's RedHot plus pickle flavor, right? That's exactly what it is. The proportions here, though, are probably like 30-70, I would say. 70% straight up pickle juice, 30% Frank's RedHot. The heat is still the same, even though they have the addition of the pickle flavor. This is great. It's just really, really good. They're showing like on the bottom of the scale. I'm not sure. Let's see if we can see that. This is their own little heat scale with some of their other Frank's RedHot to give you an idea. And they're saying that this is the least hot of all their spicy sauces, with the exception that their sweet chili sauce has no spice. So that's like on the bottom, so I'm in registering. But yeah, I mean, totally recommend this. If you like pickle flavor things, I mean, I'm definitely going to save this and use this next time I make wings. I do wings in the air fryer, which is, you know, a healthier version. I mean, wing skin's not good for you. The chicken's fine. Having a sauce like this, 0 calorie on wings, it's actually a pretty healthy option. It's a lot of protein. Obviously, it's mostly chicken. You do get a little bit of fat in there. The skin, like I said, not great for you, but it's really not a huge quantity of skin. And of course, the sauce is really good. Where you get into trouble with chicken wings, at least I did in the past, is I love, you know, dunking them in blue cheese or ranch or something, or sometimes I would make like a buffalo sauce, which, by the way, is delicious, but not super dietetic. But you take like your favorite hot sauce, your favorite wing sauce, I should say, and you melt butter in that wing sauce, and then you put in a little bit of ranch, right? Or blue cheese, whatever your preference would be. And it makes a creamy buffalo sauce that's just so rich from that butter. Mwah! good stuff, but not good for your heart. So anyway, there you go. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's literally what you think it would be. The question would be like, well, how much do you really taste the pickle? A lot. You taste the pickle more than the Frank's RedHot flavor. So, I mean, A+ to me. I like pickles. I know plenty of people who do like pickles. So just something to try out next time. Instead of, you know, if you use Frank's RedHot all the time and it's kind of boring, try this one. Very curious if they're going to come out with other flavors in the future, but give this a big A+. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section, do you like Frank's RedHot? Or do you have another favorite wing sauce specifically? I'd be curious to know. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.